Let me give y'all a good final look real quick. My little earrings on and stuff. Creaky ass chair. We are gonna hop right into this. This is a part 2 for my get ready for my Locaversary with me. Today we're gonna be retwisting and we are going to be curling these babies, okay? This is my first time using these rollers since my last set and I'm excited. I just dyed my hair, of course. Check that out in part 1. I showed you guys the whole entire process and I cannot believe it came out this good for me to not bleach my locks. Y'all, this is crazy. I can't believe it. And I already moisturized. We use our aloe juice and rose water mixture and then Jamaican black castor oil and some coconut oil. So that's it. I don't want to do too much because for the special occasion, we're going to be using our Talia Waheed tight hold gel. You guys know I don't use this often. Usually I just use my oils to retwist, but you know. So yeah, it's 9:21 p.m. you guys, and I'm gonna be up all night. Hair is soaking wet still, so we're not gonna cover it up. We are going to put these rollers in and we are gonna sleep through the pain and put my little kimono out so I don't gotta wear my bonnet or anything. We're gonna blow dry a little bit tonight too, but that's enough chit chat. Let's go ahead and get into this. Also, you guys know that I do not palm roll down the length of my lock, but I will be doing it today just because I want to. All right, you guys, so it's 10:42 p.m. and I am done. I am going to blow dry my hair and that's it for the night. These are gonna stay in all night. I was gonna say probably, but they definitely are. These are gonna stay in all night. And I'll show you guys what it looks like tomorrow. So that's it for now. Okay, see y'all. All right, guys, so it's the next day. Oh my God, y'all, sleeping, terrible. It always is really, really terrible when I have to do this. Like, these things are not the slightest bit comfortable at all. I didn't cover my hair up. I slept with my little kimono laid out on the bed. It's satin, so I just laid on that. So let's go ahead and just take these bubbles out. Satisfy my soul, by my soul. My dog swears somebody about to play with him. I am busy, son. So my hair is still really wet. Especially like towards the roots, because you know all those curlers bunched up. The blow dryer couldn't really get to the roots like that last night. I did blow dry, like I said, but I didn't. The goal wasn't to blow dry until I was completely dry. The goal was to blow dry until I was decently dry. So yeah, I'm gonna go play around with these and do some stuff to them, and I will be back. Okay, like shake them out and stuff. Okay, so that was easy. I just went to the mirror for like, I was literally in there for like 2 minutes. So this is good. I'm happy, you guys. I'm really happy. They came out a little looser than I thought, but I'm good with that because this is kind of like what I would prefer. So, hold on. Look, y'all like it? Y'all like it? I like it, so I don't care. Oh, y'all, I like it. Okay. Look at me tonight. All right, you guys. So I was gonna put like some beads and stuff on my hair, but I don't think I want to do that anymore, and I really just don't feel like it. So yeah, we're gonna cancel that. But this is good enough for me. I'm happy with this. I'm sorry I keep looking at myself in the camera now because my hair just looks so good. I can't believe that the dye actually came out this well. If you guys have not already checked out part 1, check out part 1 where I actually dye my locks with no bleach. You can see it's a big difference. I feel really good. So I will see you guys for the actual Locaversary recap. Thank you so much for watching.